Hello everyone and welcome to Codecamp Studio. Today in the sixth video of our Blender series, we will learn about Mirror Modifier. Imagine a perfect mirror reflecting your object. That's essentially what the Mirror Modifier does. It creates a mirrored copy of your mesh based on a chosen axis. Any edits you make to one side are instantly reflected on the other, keeping your object perfectly symmetrical. Let's see the Mirror Modifier in action. We will create an egg tray using Mirror and Array Modifier. This may be confusing to beginners, but to clear confusion, Mirror creates a mirrored copy of your mesh across a chosen axis. You can edit the original mesh and the mirrored copy updates automatically, but Array duplicates your mesh along a chosen axis, creating multiple copies with offset options. Edits to the original mesh won't affect the duplicates. So start by adding a cube from the Add menu, then press Tab to enter Edit mode. Select this face using Face Selection mode, and then press S key to scale. Now press Delete to delete selected face and select Face from menu. Navigate to Modifier panel and add Mirror Modifier from Generate menu. By default, the mirror plane is set to the origin point as you see, indicated by a small orange dot. Now, here's a crucial point. If your mesh perfectly aligns with the mirror plane, meaning the origin sits exactly on the plane, you won't see the mirrored copy. That's because everything overlaps perfectly. To reveal the mirrored object, press Tab to enter Object mode, then go to Options and check this Origin box. Then move origin from center point using Move tool until it perfectly aligns. Change merge value to make it perfect. Now add Array Modifier and, if necessary, change relative offset according to direction you need duplicates on. Increase count to maybe 6 as for 12 egg slots. Extrude these edges to increase details of our model and merge using F. As you see, everything updates because of Mirror Modifier. Now add a UV sphere. When you add geometry in edit mode, you are actually modifying the mesh data of the already active object. It doesn't create a separate object because Blender treats objects as a whole in object mode. In edit mode, you are working directly with the building blocks like vertices, edges, and faces of the mesh that belongs to the active object. Adding new geometry in edit mode simply adds those elements to the existing mesh data. This creates a single more complex mesh that's still part of the same object. That's the reason this new sphere is being mirrored and duplicated. Adjust the position and scale of sphere using Move and Scale tool. Return to Object mode, then apply both modifiers. Right-click and Shade Smooth for better look. Now this acts as an individual object, but you can create eggs and trays separately using same method. Let me quickly show you creating a chair using Mirror Modifier. Press Ctrl plus S to save your file for future use. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this quick video tutorial from Blender series. Subscribe for more interesting updates and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.